It's been a long but fun and productive afternoon. Tracy now has an organized workstation and can soon get back to creating beautiful art. Keep watching for the before and afters. Well, the project is complete. It has been a fun but long day. Look at this room, Tracy.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Everything looks so big and bright, and I'm very excited to get down here and do some work.
Well, let's talk about what we did. Number one, Betsy is the queen of like figuring out furniture, and we did a lot of rearranging. So I think we really came up with like maximum ideas on how to.
It's perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the fact that the table is on wheels, but then you can also have storage under it on both sides. That was a great idea. I liked bringing everything all to one wall and giving her what she needed at her fingertips. So now, in addition to organizing everything and making it easy for you to find, we've given you a lot of workspace. This is clear. This is clear. And if you feel like standing or working with the girls, you've got that wonderful table over there. I'm just so happy for you because, you deserve a space to be able to relax and enjoy yourself. You work really hard. You're running the family while your husband, again, is away protecting us and our country. And so we're just so happy that we could do this for you today.
Thank you. I'm so glad you guys chose me and came. It was so much fun. It was a good time. So I just want to say thank you so much to Deb and the team for coming out and working with me and teaching me how to organize and get everything in a way that I could grab everything quickly and do what I want to do and have lots of work surfaces to use. And I'm very excited to get down here and make something fun.
Well, that's our show for today. We hope we've inspired you to organize an area of your home or office. From all of us here, we hope to see you next time on our next episode of Organization Motivation. Bye-bye. I just stubbed myself. Aw, Tigger, T-I-double-G-er. Away. I like to sing even though I'm terrible. You want to come on here with me?
No, I don't. You fall.
Surfing USA. Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
okay, Beth. Thanks.
Let it go.
To watch previous episodes, visit organizationmotivation.com.